This is the story of the happy man and his dump truck. You can read along with me in your book. You will know it is time to turn the page when you hear the dump truck horn honk, like this. Let's begin now. Once upon a time, there was a man who had a dump truck. Every time he saw a friend, he would wave his hand and tip the dumper.
It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Everybody come and ride along with me. It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Hop in the back and you will see.
One day, while he was riding in his dump truck, singing his happy song, he met a pig going along the road.
Would you like a ride in my dump truck?
Oh, thank you,
said the pig, and he climbed into the back of the truck.
Hop in my dump truck. Hop in there, pig. Hop in the back, it's plenty big. I'll give a honk, honk. You'll give a grunt. You're looking out the back, I'm looking out the front. It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Everybody come and take a ride with me.
After they had gone a little way down the road, the man saw a friend. He waved his hand and tipped the dumper.
Whee!
Said the pig,
What fun!
and he slid all the way down to the bottom of the dumper.
It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Everybody come and ride along with me. It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Hop on in the back and you will see.
Very soon, they came to a farm.
Here is where my friends live,
Said the pig,
You have a nice dump truck. Would you please let my friends see your truck?
I will give them a ride in my dump truck.
said the man.
Hop in, Mr. Rooster. Hop in, Mrs. Hen. Hey there, pig, climb in again. Step aboard that doggy. Waddle in here, duck. Hey there, Miss Kitty, take a ride in my truck. It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Everybody come and take a ride with me.
So the hen and the rooster climbed into the truck, and the duck climbed into the truck, and the dog and the cat climbed into the truck, and the pig climbed back into the truck too. And the man closed the tailgate so they would not fall out. And then off they went. They went past the farm, and all the animals waved to the farmer. The dump truck man was very happy.
They are all my friends,
He said, so he waved his hand and tipped the dumper. The hen, the rooster, the duck, the dog, the cat, and the pig all slid down the dumper into a big heap. The animals were all so happy. Then the man took them for a long ride and drove them back to the farm. He opened the tailgate wide and raised the dumper all the way up. All the animals slid off the truck onto the ground. The hen took a skid. The duck slid. The rooster bounced out with a boink. The dog yipped. The cat flipped. And the pig fell out with an oink. "Thank you for the ride," said all the animals. "Cluck, cluck," clucked the hen. "Cock-a-doodle-doo," the rooster crowed. "Quack, quack," quacked the duck. "Bow, wow," barked the dog. "Meow, meow," mewed the cat. And the pig again gave a great big grunt. Oink, oink. The man waved his hand and tipped the dumper and rode off in his dump truck singing a happy song.
It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Everybody come and take a ride with me. It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Hop in the back and you will see. Tip, tip the dumper, honk, honk the horn. Can't you just hear the engine roaring? Crank, crank the engine, grind, grind the gears. Just listen to the wind whistling in your ears. It's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Everybody come and take a ride with me. Oh, it's so cozy to ride in my dump truck. Hop in the back and you will see. Come on now. Da 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 do 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 da 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 ba da 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 da